have an interesting idea, Sonam. What's that? I think we can make playing ball an interesting game. But how? We will kick the ball one by one and see how far it will go. Winner will give ice cream treat. Oh, that's great. Let's play. Sonam, please come. I want to show you something. Have you noticed something? What? Can you see the drainage pipe? It is polluting the river. Yes, you are right. I think we should discuss about this with our science teacher. Okay, I think we can collect the sample. This gives more clarity about the problem. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dakshita. Why are you in so much hurry?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Tell me, what is bothering you?
Ma'am, this is some colored water which is being dumped into the water bodies. We have noticed it yesterday evening while playing.
Okay. So you guys are worried about this?
Yes, ma'am. I just want to ask, can we reuse this water for some purpose? Just like we used biomass to generate energy?
I am really glad that you both have noticed this. Let me explain you the concept of photoelectrochemical process, through which we can generate energy from this water and also treat this water.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. It will be really interesting.
So, let's start. As the name suggests, photo means light, and through this light, electrochemical reactions are happening. In photoelectrochemical PEC, water splitting, hydrogen is produced from water using sunlight. And specialized semiconductors called photoelectrodes to directly dissociate water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. This is the complete PEC setup. Just like in normal electrochemical cell, there is anode, cathode, and an electrolyte medium.
Ma'am, I have one question. Can we use solar light in laboratories?
In labs, we generate solar light using solar simulator. When light falls on the working electrode, that is cathode, the absorbed photons excite electrons to higher energy states in semiconductors from the valence band to the conduction band, creating an electron-hole pair in the material. The holes that reach the electrolyte interface drive the oxygen evolution reaction OER at the anode, whereas the electrons that reach the electrode substrate are extracted to the external electrical circuit and are used to drive the hydrogen evolution reaction HER at the cathode.
I have a question, ma'am. Why are we more focused on hydrogen production?
Yes, great question. This is because hydrogen fuel produced is highly efficient. Hydrogen gas is clean fuel as the byproducts are only water and oxygen. After large-scale application, problem of global energy can be rectified by using this. Hydrogen fuel is far more efficient for vehicles.
Ma'am, is there any other benefit of using this process?
Yes, of course. I have a single line answer for this. One solution to two problems. It combats both energy crisis and water pollution. Hope you get some basic understanding about PEC and hydrogen fuel.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for explaining me everything. Thank you so much, ma'am, for explaining me everything.